Automation is the future, and Ansible makes it easier. But wait, have you ever wanted your scripts to be a little more fun? Enter Figlet. It's like adding a splash of artistic flair to automation. Today, we dive into Ansible Figlet and why it's not just about automation. It's about making things look cool while doing serious tech work. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Ansible is like a tech wizard, handling automation with efficiency and simplicity. No complex setups, no headaches. It's agentless, meaning fewer dependencies and more flexibility. Companies around the globe use it to automate tasks effortlessly. Imagine never manually configuring servers again. Ansible takes care of that, saving time and sanity. Figlet is the digital equivalent of writing your name in giant, fancy letters. It turns text into a ASCII Art. You can use it to create eye-catching banners in your scripts. Why stick to boring logs when you can have stylish ones? Whether it's for fun or practicality, Figlet brings personality to automation. Now we're combining automation with creativity. The Ansible Figlet module lets you transform text into a ASCII Art automatically. Want your scripts to greet you in style? This module does exactly that. It's a small touch, but sometimes small touches make all the difference in keeping workflows engaging. Before we get creative, let's set things up right. First, we need Ansible. Installing it is a breeze. Then Figlet, just a simple package installation, and boom, a ASCII magic. A quick verification step ensures everything runs smoothly. No one wants troubleshooting nightmares, right? Setup is straightforward. Create a playbook, define tasks, and include Figlet simple. Running the script is the satisfying part. Watching automation do its thing while Figlet adds flair to your output. It's like watching code come alive with personality. Using Figlet with Ansible is easier than making instant noodles. Define your text, choose a font, and boom, a ASCII Art. Customize it to make logs more readable or simply add a fun touch to your scripts. Who said automation had to be boring? Text transformation with Figlet is all about creativity. Want a bold title for your automation output? Figlet delivers. Experiment with fonts, sizes, and even interactive elements. It's practical, but more importantly, it makes automation enjoyable. Figlet isn't just about converting text. It's about making it look awesome. There's a variety of fonts, each with its own charm. From simple to extravagant, pick one that suits your vibe. The best part, you can add effects and ensure readability while making automation stylish. Let's get started with Ansible Figlet. We begin by setting up our playbook, which is like the script for a well-rehearsed performance. Tasks and roles help keep things structured. Nobody likes a messy playbook. We can even style our Figlet output to make it fancy, because who doesn't like a bit of flair? Finally, execution, press the button and watch the magic happen. Troubleshooting is the real test of patience, but don't worry, I've got your back. First, we identify errors. It's like finding a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is code. The debug module is our detective. It helps us spot the problem. Handling failed tasks gracefully is key, because rage quitting isn't an option. Finally, optimization ensures we don't run into the same issues over and over. Figlet isn't meant to work alone. Teamwork makes the dream work. We can combine it with text processing modules for dynamic outputs. Using Figlet in automation workflows adds a bit of flair, making tasks more visually engaging. Want scripts with personality? Figlet has your back. And of course, ensuring compatibility keeps everything running smoothly. No broken configurations here. Who said sysadmin work couldn't be stylish? Figlet lets us create decorative banners, because plain text is so last century. Logging messages become clearer and cooler. Documentation doesn't have to be boring, and Figlet gives it that aesthetic upgrade. Finally, automation ensures that every message looks professional and engaging without extra effort. Speed matters. Figlet is fun, but if it slows down execution, it's not ideal. Optimizing resource usage ensures efficiency. Nobody likes a laggy system. Large-scale deployments demand careful consideration, because things can spiral quickly. And finally, simplicity is key. Complicated configurations are just asking for trouble. Best practices keep things running smoothly. Writing clean playbooks saves headaches later on. Future you will thank present you. Community guidelines help maintain consistency. Plus, they make you look like an Ansible expert. Cross-platform compatibility means fewer surprises. And proper documentation. It's the secret to avoiding what was I thinking when I wrote this moments. We've covered a lot. Quick recap: Figlet is cool, debugging is crucial, integration makes it better, and best practices save time. Now it's your turn. Experiment, explore advanced features, and keep refining your automation workflows. Remember, tech is meant to be fun, and Figlet is here to prove it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.